I want to talk about losing weight. I've never met anybody that wants to gain it, but I've talked to a lot of people that want to lose it. And I've talked to a lot of you that have lost it. And you're all confused as to what to do with your clothes. Well, if you've lost a lot of weight and you would deform what the clothes look like, just treat yourself and go buy you some new clothes. If you lose 10, 15 pounds, it's really simple to take in the side seams. This part of your body does not change, no matter how much weight you lose or gain. This part right here doesn't change. This is where the neckline is, it's where the collar is, it's where the buttons and buttonholes are. Take in the side seams. But let's just say that you, and some people do this, they lose weight and they only lose weight in some part of their body, like some people only lose in their arms or they only lose in their bust. You can take that in. You don't have to take in the whole side seam. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. First of all, get yourself your tape measure. And then you want to use some kind of chalk. This is Choco Liner. This is from Clover. I like all the colors, so just pick whatever color you would like. Turn your garment inside out. It is much easier to draw this than it is for you to just kind of gauge it. You don't want to do that. You want to actually draw it. So when I turn this garment inside out, you can see, hopefully, let me draw it with pink so you can see where that side seam is. And I'll just draw right over the top of it, like this, just so that you can see that a little bit better, and hopefully you can. So let's just say that you lost in your waist, and yay, you're going to have a waistline now. So just take it in your waist, put the garment on, mark it with a pin, a straight pin, while it's on your body, and then what you want to do is baste this, always baste, because it's easy to take that back out. So take your waist in and go up to your armhole and don't take anything else in, just at the waist. Or let's just say you lost a lot of weight in your arms and not anyplace else. You can start right at the seam, which is right there, and you can start right there and you can take your sleeve seam in as tight as you want it to be. So to me, this is the beauty of sewing. We get to alter this according to our comfort, and we get to alter this according to whatever it is that you lost and however tight you want to make it. Some people, when they lose weight, they like their shirts really snug because they want to show off what they lost. I would too. So pat yourself on the back and then take your shirt in, or your dress, or your coat, or your jacket, or whatever.